So what's up, guys? This is my 85 Chevrolet S10. It has a 355 small block at the moment with a 510 cam, 882 heads. It's got Patriot headers on it right now, and it's up on jack stands right now because I just pulled the tranny out of it. It lost third gear, so I'm going to be rebuilding it here pretty soon. We're going to take a look inside of it right now. It's pretty basic, just basic S10 interior, you know. It does have a B&M star shifter, which has ratchet mode and normal detent mode, which is pretty cool. And you know, the 5-inch tag, of course. And of course you gotta have a stereo, CD player. That pretty much does it for inside. There's not much. It's got a cow hood on it right now, just a 3-inch. You know, something little simple. It's got center lines, 295 50 15 Cooper Cobra tires. It is a posi. If I get down here lower, you can see it's true dual exhaust all the way out. It's lowered 3 inches in the rear and sets lowered 2 in the front. Back here we got a fuel cell. It's a 12-gallon with a GM sending unit in it. I've had it at the track twice and ran about mid-12s with it with street tires on it, which isn't bad. Saying is I drove 30 miles to get there and then 30 back. I didn't want to hurt it too bad. But yeah, that's just an update on the little truck so far. I do have a solid 4-blade fan on it. I can't fit a clutch fan, obviously. It's got a HEI MSD distributor. I'll bill it. It does have an air gap intake, as you can see. Oh, you might not. It's got an air gap. Let's just go through it. It's got a high volume fuel pump, high volume oil pump. Right now it's just a 600 carb, but it's reworked where it's putting out 680 CFM, so it's not too bad. And it's basically just like a 650 double pumper, pretty much. And I guess that's about it, actually. As far as looks, I don't mind it. I kind of like the whole rat rod feel of it. It's not the prettiest thing on the planet, but it's alright. I would start it up for you guys, but probably gonna wait till I get the converter in. So that's about it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.